Today we'll see a video to create a Docker with default ipv6 enabled. So for that, make sure first Docker is installed. Use this command and check whether Docker is installed. So Docker info, it is installed. Next step is go to this path etc docker daemons. Use sudo option. I am just changing it to 8. And here also I am just changing. So see whether changes are reflected. So changes are reflected in the JSON file. But for the Docker to take it, you have to restart the Docker. So sudo systemctl status Docker. So it is running. First we'll try to stop the Docker and start it back. It is stopped. So you can see the status, it is started back. So now it should have taken that IP. So now you go to this any path you want and try to write a Docker file. This is an example Docker file I have given. So you are taking from Ubuntu. So I am giving Ubuntu. If you want Debian, you can replace this with Debian. And then maintainer, you can give any IP you want. And these are all the commands which I am going to install. So this is not compulsory. Only up to these 2 lines if you add itself, it should be sufficient. This last command is to show that it is completed. So to run this, we have to use this command. So use this command docker build -t, any name you want, with the path. This path is nothing but the path which has the Docker file. Now we'll start to run this. Successful. You can see it is built. You can see this output in Docker images. It should have Docker ipv6. So we have this. Now we'll try to run this and check whether default ipv6 has come up. So use this command to run the Docker and just see if config. So you can see the IP which we have changed. So this is how you can get a default Docker. You can still confirm whether it is correct or not. So we have changed to 8001. This is how you can create a default Docker. I'll recap once again. You can just change this Docker etc docker daemon, and then you have to restart the Docker using this command. Use this command systemctl stop and then systemctl start to restart to take the effect. After that, you can create a Docker file like this, and you have to do docker build. So this is the docker build command. So using this, you have to build it. So this is the docker build command. You have to build it using this. Once it is executed, you can run docker run command to check. That's it. So default ipv6 you can enable. Thank you.